managed to get my hands on these beautiful Audio-Technica ADH M30Xs. So finally it's time for the unboxing. So let's get started. From C2Now Tech, and today I'll be doing the unboxing for these Audio-Technica ATH M30X. So let's get started with the video itself. The packaging feels pretty premium for sure. Now let's see at what's the including. So 40mm drivers, what we can say from the back. So I've got these from the US, so there would be no price mentioned, but I've got it for about $50, and in India they are available for about 4700 rupees. Not exactly $50, but expensive than that because I got for less. So you also include Audio-Technica also has included a pouch for the headphones. So let's just start with the unboxing. So now let's open. I don't think there are any seals or something, but let's see. Okay, so let's keep it over here. So yeah, I love the packaging though. That's just a plain cardboard box saying just the logo of Audio-Technica. Let's keep that over here too. Now that's, I think so, something related to the warranty and stuff like that. I think so. Yep, so let's see. It's something like a purchase registration warranty card. What does it say? It says US Inc. Ohio, because I purchased it via US, also already mentioned. Let's keep these over at the side. Now let's look at the pouch itself. Let's open the pouch. I like the packaging, so you do not have to cut away anything, just straight. Let's keep that. The pouch looks pretty premium for sure. It's like a good leatherish, I can't be sure of, but it's sort of a leatherish material with this Audio-Technica branding over here. I love these. It's similar to what you get with the Sennheiser CX275S, but that's way smaller than that because they are earphones, but got to mention that. Now finally the headphones. So yep, so I like this cardboard also saying Audio-Technica or the nothing else. So let's keep that to a side again. Now let's focus to the main headphones. Let's get that out, and that's two out. Yeah, quickly. So cable, I love the packaging because it's pretty precise and to the point kind of packaging. That's what I like. Now let's open the cable itself. Yep, so throw that away. It's like a pretty big cable because these are sort of a studio monitoring headphones, and I have ordered them for normal listening and a bit of video editing. Now let's see. So they have given this attachment, gold attachment for the other quarter-inch main. For the video editing they require sometimes these ones. So although I directly do video editing with my laptop, so I would be using the 3.5mm standard audio jack. So let's keep that at a side too. So these are sort of studio monitoring ones. Now let's see. Okay, so I can tell that the headphones can fold up to the back. Okay, it has, the headphones have got some good heft to them, and let's see, yeah, so you can stretch up way up there. So yeah, the branding Audio-Technica. I love the headphones quality. I like the quality of the headphone. Now I'll be telling about the sound quality and the major stuff like the comfortability in the full review. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Stay geeky and peace.